found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, what the hell? If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press that subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now for today's video, as you guys can already tell by this title, we are going to be reviving. Well, I kind of already did that part. I'm not sure if I'm going to include that in somewhere in the beginning of the video, but I basically revived it. And let me show you guys the wig. This is how it looked like. When I tell you guys, this is a mad old ass wig. Just know it's really old and the lace isn't even that good, so I'm here about to try to, like, you know, finesse it and stuff like that, because like I said, the lace is really trash. But I still wanted to see if I was able to, you know, make it look cute, because this was my birthday wig and it was like years ago, and like the hair was trash because I got it from this like company that I was testing out, and like I said, it was trash. But what I did do to revive this wig is I co-washed it. I basically co-washed it, and what is that word? I deep condition it. I deep condition it for like a good strong day, like probably a day, or like just know it was a few hours that I deep conditioned it, and then after that I let it air dry, and this is how it looks like that. I'm not sure if this is deep wave or not, but like I said, this hair isn't all that, but I just wanted to see what I can do with it, because I was in the mood of getting cute, and I wanted some long hair, and this is, I think, 26 to 28 inches, so I want to see what I can do with that. Now yeah, don't laugh at me, don't laugh at me.
With the positivity, that's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind. baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow. If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow. If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
All right, y'all, so this is the finished look of the hair. What I did do is I just put it into like a little top knot bun. I was gonna leave it down, but it was a little bit too skimpy looking, like it was too thin, and I didn't feel like adding extra hair in it and, you know, doing all the extra whatever. And so I just decided to, you know, put it in this little top knot bun, even though it still looks a little bit messy. I didn't want to leave it down because we all know when you get like really long hair, the frontals only go up to like 20 inches, so you can always see the line of demarcation. You could always see that line, and especially if it's with curly hair, you'll see it, and I really don't like that look, so I just decided to put it up and stuff. Also, I did do a video on this makeup look. I'm not sure if that video is gonna come before or after me uploading this, or if I'm gonna include both videos together, because this hair tutorial thing was very longer than I was expecting, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna put them together or make them 2 separate videos. But I did record this makeup look if you guys were interested and stuff. But that's the final look. If you guys like this hair tutorial, me bringing back this old wig back to life. And like I said, all I did was use conditioner, and I just used conditioner and let it sit. Normally, if you wanted to really, you know, get it revived and all that extra stuff, I would say put the conditioner in it, put it in the microwave, or even put it in the hot sun and just let it sit for like a day. The most I would say is like a day or 2, but a day or like a few hours, just to, you know, let the hair sit and, you know, gain its moisture and luster back and stuff. But yeah, that's how I got my hair to look like this, because before it looked real dusty. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys like videos like that, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys like this style on me. Or I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.